In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically archive emails in Gmail with a filter. This is a quick way to keep your inbox clean by sending less important messages straight to all mail without deleting them. Archiving removes a message from your inbox but keeps it searchable and accessible anytime. Start by opening Gmail and finding a message from the sender you want to filter. Click the checkbox next to that email. Selecting it tells Gmail which kind of message you want to base the filter on, and it's the fastest way to pull in the right sender details without typing anything manually. At the top of your inbox, click the three dots icon labeled More. From the menu, choose Filter Messages like these. Gmail will open a search window and automatically fill in the From field with that sender. This is the core of the filter. If you want to be more precise, you can refine the criteria here. For example, you might add a specific subject line or a keyword in the Has the Words box. Keep your criteria specific so you don't accidentally capture messages you still want to see in your inbox. Think about consistent phrases those emails contain, and avoid generic terms that many messages might share. When your criteria look right, click Create Filter at the bottom of the search window. This takes you to the action screen where you decide what Gmail should do with matching messages. Here, check the option called Skip the Inbox, Archive. This tells Gmail to bypass the inbox entirely for anything that meets your criteria. The messages aren't deleted, they'll live in all mail and remain fully searchable. You can find them later by searching or by opening All Mail in the left sidebar. If you also want to tidy up older messages that already match your filter, turn on the option that says, Also apply filter to matching conversations. This is optional, but it's a great way to clean up backlog in one move, especially if your inbox has built up similar messages over time. Once you've selected your options, finalize the filter so Gmail can start applying it going forward. From now on, any new email that matches your criteria will skip the inbox and be archived automatically, helping you stay focused on what matters most. If you ever change your mind, you can edit or delete the filter from Gmail settings under Filters and Blocked Addresses. And remember, archive doesn't mean gone. It's just out of sight, ready whenever you need it. You both.